Okay, now we're solving 7, 8, and 9, and I'm sorry about the size of this font here, but you have it in front of you. So now we're doing an option arm, and there's 3 options here, and right now we are focusing on the regular amortization payment option. So, anyway, you can see what that is. So let's solve that. Now, regular amortization means that our future value is going to be 0. In other words, regular amortization means that we are going to pay the loan off. It's a 30-year loan. Our starting interest rate is 5.5% for regular amortization, and we're doing a loan for $250,000. So I'm going to punch this information into my calculator, knock this payment out really quickly. 30-second N, 5.5 I/Y, $250,000, negative present value, 0 future value. Compute my payment, and I get a payment of $1,419.47. So this is my answer to number 7. Now, when I move to number 8, this is a technicality. Well, no, it's not actually, but I need to find out what do I owe after 5 years. So I'm going to change N to 5 years. So I'm going to do 5-second N in my calculator. And then I'm going to compute my future value. And when I do that, it's going to tell me that in 5 years the amount that I owe will be $231,151.51. Now, why do we have to do that? Because we are going to recast it. So when we recast this loan to 25 years, we need to know how much we're going to owe. We're not going to owe $250,000 anymore because we've been paying for 5 years. So now N is 25 years. Your interest is still 5.5%, though this is technically an ARM. We're just not going there yet. Okay, so now I owe 231,151.51. I have to find my payment. And because we are recasting to regular amortization, our future value will again be 0. So I'm going to plug this in as such on my calculator, making sure that I get my future value to 0. That's very important because we have a number there already for it. And unsurprisingly, my payment is $1,419.47. Why is it the same? Because you're just continuing to pay at the same interest rate on the same loan. So the point of this is to show you that on a regular amortization payment on an option arm loan, there will be no change except for what will happen with the change in interest rate, which we are not yet doing.